Yes, here you are given. It is question number 2 first part. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4 and alpha into beta is equal to -1. I hope it is right. सबकी बुक में यही होगा. ठीक है. Next, we have to find the polynomial with the sum of zeros 1 by 4 and product which is -1. So here we will suppose let px, whatever the polynomial we have to find, let it be ax square plus bx plus c. Standard form में जब हम लिखते हैं polynomial equation को, we will write that. So here these are the sum and product of zeros. So here alpha plus beta 0 is minus b over a, which implies this is the minus b over a as it is. Value of alpha plus beta is 1 by 4. Clear? Value of alpha plus beta कितनी लगा दी? minus b over a and it is 1 by 4. And then product of zeros alpha beta is equal to c over a. So here alpha beta c over a, it means c over a is equal to -1. Now we are having equation number 1, equation number 2, these two equations, and you should know the answer in advance. आपको sum of zero पता है, product of zero पता है, तो px का मैंने फॉर्मूला आपको क्या बताया था? k into x square minus fx plus p. ये आप जब MCQ आते हैं directly you can find out the solution. So here k x square as it is minus sum of zeros 1 by 4, so it will be x over 4 plus product of zeros -1, so here it will become -1. To vanish the denominator, ऐसे भी छोड़ सकते हैं because infinite many polynomials will be there. किसी भी polynomial को अगर हम किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसका सॉल्यूशन चेंज नहीं होता. You all must be knowing, ग्राफ वही बनता है उसका. तो k की वैल्यू कितनी ले लेते हैं? 4, क्योंकि यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है? 4 है. So let k is equal to 4. फिर से कह रहे हैं जरूरी नहीं है इसको 4 लिखना. अगर आप यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर डालोगे that will be right answer. Multiple answer would be there. So 4 into x square minus x over 4 minus 1. It will become, so here we get two equations. Now see here denominator is 4 and here denominator is 1. हम कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हैं x को, but to make the answer simple, we are taking a as LCM of these two denominator. So LCM of 4 and 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 4. You all must be knowing. So ये जो value है हम a की suppose कर देते हैं. Let a is equal to 4. Now put this value in equation 1. Put a is equal to 4 in equation 1 implies minus b over 4 is equal to 1 by 4. ये कट हो जाएंगे. You are left with, अब ये minus b की value आपके पास 1 है and value of b will be -1. दोनों तरफ हमने -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. Now इस इक्वेशन से हमें दो वैल्यूज मिलेगी a as well as b. हमारे पास a भी हो गया, b भी हो गया. Now we are left with c जो हमने फाइंड आउट करनी. That is in equation number 2. Now in equation number 2 put a is equal to 4, which implies c over 4 is equal to -1. So value of c is -4. Clear? Now substitute all the values a, b, c in the polynomial px. So therefore px is equal to a. Value of a is 4x square. Value of b is -1 into x minus x. Then plus c, that is -4. So it is the answer. Now question number 2, third part. Again here you are given, first of all beta read the question carefully. Sometimes what happens, we are given sum of zeros and product of zeros and we suppose that these are two zeros. तो बिल्कुल ध्यान से क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है. Here sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, it is 0. And second condition, their product is under root 5. Alpha into beta is equal to under root 5. So again, we will suppose let the polynomial px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Quadratic polynomial ही suppose करनी है because here we are given two zeros. If there are two zeros, maximum two zeros है, तो कौन सी polynomial होगी? It is quadratic polynomial. So here same relation we have to use. Relation is same in quadratic polynomial. Sum of zeros minus b over a and product of zeros c over a. So here alpha plus beta की value आपको 0 given है. It means minus b over a is equal to 0. Then alpha into beta is equal to c over a. It means c over a is equal to under root 5. In both the cases, we can take denominator as 1. So their LCM will also be 1. So we will suppose let a is equal to 1. फिर से क्या है बेटा जी? We can take any value of a. Only for our simplicity, we take LCM of these two denominators as a. Let a is equal to 1, and it is equation number 1. Equation number 2. Put a is equal to 1 in equation number 1. So 0 into 1, it will become 0, which implies minus b is equal to 0, which further implies b is equal to 0. Value of b is 0. Next is put a is equal to 1 in second equation. It further implies c over 1 is equal to under root 5 over 1. That is c is equal to under root 5. So put all these values of a, b, c in. Put a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to under root 5 in the polynomial px. So here px will become, हमने px को क्या लिया है? ax square plus bx plus c. So therefore px is equal to, value of a is 1, so it will be x square. B is 0. Either you will write it as 0x or no need to write this term. Then plus c. Value of c is under root 5, which can be written as x square plus under root 5. So it is the answer. Note down the question. If any problem is there, you will raise the hand. In last 10 minutes, we can discuss your doubts. Next is we are going to discuss fifth part. In fifth part, what is there? Sum is minus 1/4 and product is 4. इस क्वेश्चन में बेटा अगर आप डायरेक्ट इसको देखो px को, if we can write px as k into x square minus sum of zeros, that is 0 into x, and then plus under root 5 as it is. ठीक है? Let k is equal to 1, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर सबका 1 है, तो आपके पास px क्या हो जाएगा? For k is equal to 1, px will be x square plus under root 5. So without solving, you can check your answer here. Clear? बिना सॉल्व किए आप अपना आंसर चेक कर सकते हो. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने ये वाला मेथड कब चूज करना है? व्हेन यू आर आस्क्ड इन एमसीक्यूज या फिर वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर 1 मार्क में ही. अदरवाइज यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन इट. नेक्स्ट इज फिफ्थ पार्ट. So here question number 2, fifth part. Again here sum of zeros and product of zeros. It means you are given the value of alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1/4, and the second value product of zeros, alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 4. Don't be confused. These are not the zeros. It is sum of zeros and it is the product of zeros. Now apply the relation. So before applying the relation, we will suppose here, let Px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c be the required polynomial. Be the required polynomial. So relation between zeros and the coefficient. Therefore, sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a. But we are given alpha plus beta minus 1 by 4. So substitute the value of alpha plus beta as minus b over a is equal to minus 1 by 4. So here minus minus cancelled out. So b over a is equal to 1 by 4. Let it be equation number 1. Now second one is alpha into beta is equal to c over a, which implies c over a product of zeros. Substitute the values. It is 1 by 4. So let it be equation number 2. Now in these two, the denominator is 4. So let a is equal to 4 because both the denominators are equal. So LCM of these two 4s will be same. So a is equal to 4. So put this value in equation number 1. Put a is equal to 4 in 1. What you will get? B over 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So that is B is equal to 1. It is the first value we have calculated. Now we will calculate the value of C. Substitute this value in equation number 2. Value of A. Yes, put A is equal to 4 in equation number 2. So after substituting the value in equation number 2, it implies C over 4 is equal to 1 by 4, which implies C is equal to 1. So we have got the value of B and C if A is 4. Now we have to frame the final equation, that is Px. So substitute these values in Px. We know the value of Px, ax square plus bx plus c. So इस equation में जब हम इनकी values put करेंगे, we will get the final polynomial. So put the values. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 1 we have calculated, and C1 in Px. We have assumed Px is ax square plus bx plus c. So it will be 4x square plus x plus 1. Clear? So this is the solution. But if we want to check directly, अगर हम डायरेक्ट इसको चेक करना चाहें, we can substitute the values accordingly. Here we know Px is equal to k into x square minus sx plus p. It is a formula. So it is a polynomial with sum of zeros as s and product of zeros as p. So here value of s, sum of zeros we are given alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 4, alpha into beta as 1 by 4. It is the value of s and it is the value of p. So directly we can write x is equal to k into x square minus value of s minus 1 by 4x plus value of p is 1 by 4. A number of polynomials would be there with the same zeros. So here one of the polynomial, let k is equal to 4. 4 क्यों suppose किया, denominator 4 है. So to make the polynomial simple, we can suppose k as 4. So px is equal to 4 into x square minus minus plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4. So after multiplication, it will be 4x square plus x plus 1. So this is the answer here. अब यहाँ पे ये जरूरी नहीं है कि इसकी वैल्यू 4 लेनी है, हम कोई भी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. फॉर ऑल दोज वैल्यूज दिस इक्वेशन विल बी, पॉलिनोमियल विल बी द ट्रू वन. जो भी आप वैल्यू ले लो उनमें से वन ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इज 4x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 1. पॉलिनोमियल के लिए then we write px is equal to k into x square minus sx plus p. Any value of k you can use, and for cubic it is for quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And if it is cubic, then px equal to k into x cube minus sx square plus px minus p. Here, what are s? Sum of all zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is s. Then p is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. P is alpha into beta into gamma. Clear? तो ये सबको पता होना चाहिए. ये कब यूज करते हैं आपने? फॉर 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन और फॉर MCQs. Should we start division now?